In this video, we're going to take a look at how to sign up for the Cash App debit card, how to personalize it, and then get it shipped to you. First off, you don't need to have any money in your Cash App account yet to do this. All you do need is a valid account. The Cash App card is available to anyone over 18 or 13 if you have a parent on the account that signed off on it. I've made a video in the past showing you how to get started with Cash App, so you can check that out. I'll put a link down below along with a referral code where we both get $5 for free when you sign up and use Cash App. Once you're in your Cash App account, tap the card icon here at the bottom. You'll then get a screen that you can swipe through, giving you an overview of what the Cash App card has to offer. It's a customizable, no hidden fee debit card. It's available to anyone over 13 with the parent's permission. You can set up automatic savings with Boost. It's customizable, you can use it like a bank card, and you can turn on roundups. When you're ready, tap Get Free Cash Card at the bottom. The first thing you need to do is choose your card design. There are basic free cards that you can customize, and there's premium cards that cost money. I'll just go ahead and grab one of the free cards. Next, you can personalize the card by using this option. Inside of here, you can choose whether or not you want to display your cash tag. You can place stickers on the card, or you can use the draw option here and draw on the card. When you're finished, hit done. After that, you're going to get a virtual proof of what your card is going to look like. When you're ready, tap Order Card at the bottom. After that, you'll need to enter your address and any personal details that it may ask you. If you've never verified your account on Cash App, you may need to do that with your social security number or a valid ID. This is pretty standard with any financial app, as it helps protect you and the company. Once you're done with that, you'll see an overview of the details on your Cash App card. You'll see that there's no fees unless you do the ATM cash out, what bank is behind the card, and more. At the bottom, tap Continue. If you've set up a cash pin on your account, enter it here. Your Cash App card order will then be complete, and you'll be able to use the virtual card right away while you wait for your physical card. That part can take up to 2 weeks to get to you. But for now, tap Done, and you'll see your new Cash App card details. If you've fully verified your account in the past, then you'll have full access to your new virtual card. You'll be able to see the full card number and the details, turn on any boost or roundups, and add it to Apple Pay if you use that. But if you get to a screen that looks like this and it says your cash card is locked, then chances are you probably never fully verified your account in the past. You can do that by tapping your profile icon here on the top right, and then here underneath of your profile icon, you'll see Verify Your Identity. Choose that and you'll see the piece that you still need to complete. For instance, for my account, we see that I have confirmed my personal info, but I never uploaded my photo ID. So I can choose that and then go through the steps of uploading a photo of my ID to finish the verification. You'll need to take a photo of the front and the back of your ID along with a photo of yourself. After that, you'll see that your identity has been verified. If your Cash App card still shows locked after you did the verification steps, then you might just have to give it some time while your Cash App card account gets created. If after a few days you're still having an issue though, you can reach out to Cash App support by clicking your profile icon here again on the top right, scrolling down to the bottom inside of here and choosing Support, and choosing Cash Card. Down here at the bottom, choose Contact Support, and then Not About a Transaction. Here you can send a message to the Cash App support saying something like, I need to unlock my new cash card. After that, when it's available, you'll be connected to customer support where they can help you go through the steps to unlock your new cash card. Okay, so an update on the virtual cash card here. After I sent a message to Cash App support, I got a response from them the next day. They told me to make sure that all the identity issues were taken care of, and I told them they were, so they told me that sometimes you just have to wait for your card to come in before you can actually unlock your virtual card. So it's been 5 days since I originally recorded and requested my card, and it came in today. So now I'll head back into Cash App and select the card icon again here at the bottom, and next to Card Shipped, I'll hit Activate. On the letter that came in the mail with my physical card, there's a QR code. Go ahead and scan that now. Once you scan your QR code, your cash card will then be activated. You can now use your card wherever Cash Card is accepted, you can add it to your Google and Apple Pay, and you can use it worldwide. Tap Next. After you tap Next, you then have the option to set up direct deposit if you want. And finally, now that everything's activated, we have all of our options. At the top, you'll be able to see your full cash card number, the expiration date, and the security code. You can find and activate any of these boosts here at places that you shop at. And you have the rest of the options like add to Apple Pay, turn on roundups, lock card, find an ATM, change your PIN, or contact support. You can also design a new card if you want in the future if you ever lose this or just want to replace it. And that's how you sign up, personalize, and get the Cash App card, and also apparently what happens if your virtual card is locked when you first sign up.